Hey guys, it's me Sisir Regmi, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a perfect CV, or resume. Although they are different things, so without wasting in time, um, let's move to the topic. First of all, you have to open your browser. You can open any browser like Brave, Chrome, Opera Mini. I'm using Chrome browser here. Then you have to search Sajilo CV. It's a Nepali website and it is very famous and convenient to use, and it is 100% free, so you can use it. And first of all, you have to log in, so click on the login or register button icon, sorry. So here my Gmail has been automatically chosen, and after the logging process, you will see this thumbnail, or you can call it you will see this interface. And first of all, you have to click on the templates, and then here are different templates you can choose. These are the templates, and which template you like, you can simply click on the template. I'm using it because I like this template, and it is also it looks more professional. Then let's move to the about option. Then you will fill your name here automatically, this will return over here. First of all, upload photo. Okay, I'm using this photo. We can also zoom like this. Okay, this one is perfect. Let's fill your name. Okay, it has been automatically filled, but you can like this. Let's remove this. Shishir. Okay, we can write like this. And a designation means, are you working as are you working in any company as a manager or employee? Then you can write over here, or any past position. Like if I am a manager in any company like Gold Star Showroom, then I will write here manager at, sorry, manager at Gold Star SHOWR showroom. I would like this. If I am a manager of Gold Star, but I am not, so I am not writing here anything. And summary. Okay, how would you define yourself? You can write. mm, I will define myself like this. I'm a young and energetic undergraduate student fond of electronics and electrical. I have a strong command at communication with others. You can write anything which describe yourself. If you are an introvert person, you can just I have a strong command at communication with others. You can remove these. Or if you are a bodybuilder, if you have a good physique, then you can describe yourself by I am so much like dedicated towards my health. Like this you can define yourself. Okay, you can also add your social media link, like, okay, let's add, I will add my own Facebook link. Okay, and let's open Facebook. Guys, my laptop is very slow, so manage it. How to copy the profile link? Oh my goodness, I'm not finding it. In mobile phone there will be option like copy your profile. Oh, okay, like this. Let's paste that link here. Okay, then continue to execution. Okay. Mm, in which school you have read, like, if you had completed your class 10 from Jyotipun secondary boarding school or any, then you can just write your school name here, and then it's SEE, and city means it's Dang. I'm living in Dang, and start date, it was like 2000s. I have graduated in 2017 at the end means. Okay, let's take any date like 2018. Okay, 2018 May. Then graduation date 2019 December. Okay, it was like when you started your SE. I think I graduated my SE level exam, I think at 2017. So you can write like this. So once you can see your document, and I currently study here. No, I am not currently studying in that school. Recently I have graduated NAB, so I'm not clicking on that. Okay, take a little bit about your course of study. Talk, oh, sorry, talk. Okay, you can write like, okay, um, du arrange during my S A. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, let's move to next. You can also add another education, like if you have completed your grade 12, then you can. I have completed my grade 12 examination from Gurukul Academy. Gurukul A CATEMA, Gurukul Academy. So I am writing here, and bachelor degree means it's SLC, and city again Dang. Start date, I am writing anything. Okay, let's take, it's 2025 and 2023. 2023 is Jan, sorry, and it's December 2024. Although this is not correct, but I am writing this for an example. No, I am not currently studying here. I have COMPLET. I have completed my, and let's move to experience. Okay, if you have any job experience, you can write over here. Job title. Let's take an example. Manager at Gold Star Showroom. Okay, MANAGER. Manager. Okay, Gold Star Showroom. Gold STARSHOWROM. Gold Star Showroom. What happened? Oh, nothing is written. Oh my god. Gold STAR Gold Star SHOWROM. Gold Star Showroom. The yes must be capital. Okay, it's Dang again. Okay, start date. Let's take 2024 Jan, and India at August 2024. I'm not currently working here. Okay, I had a great great. We can write like this. Anything related to your job, which demonstrate that you are capable of a manager. If you are applying for the post of manager in any other organization or institution, so you have to write such things in this description box. Let's move to project. Okay, if you have done any project, like if we have organized like event in any places, then you can write like this project. Okay, you can write event. Project title, what can I write? Dhamaka. Dhamaka event. Okay, it's I am writing it. There is not any kind of event that happened on the title of Dhamaka. I am writing it by myself to give you to explain you. Okay, explain. Let's explain this. At in 2024 February Okay, you can give your project link over here, right? Like if you have that done live, or any, if you have click a video shot of that event, then you prove that you have organized that event, you can just mm, mm, copy the link and paste over here. Okay, if you have done other several projects, then we can simply click on this add project, and you can add another project here. Like this is the first project, and another project will over display over here. I don't uh, so I'm not doing this because I have limited time. Let's move to skill section. Okay, if you have any skill, like skill, I have office skill. Okay, Microsoft Office, MICROSOFT, Microsoft Office. You know, I am well at running Microsoft Word, Excel, and other Microsoft Office packages. So label means I am intermediate. I am not skillful, but yeah, I'm not beginner. Yeah, although I can do simple tasks and projects. So I'm doing this. Not experienced, skillful. Okay, we can get another, like I am good at Canva. So okay, what is this? I'm good at Canva, so um, I'm doing this. If you have any other skills, um like what you can write, skill Canva and other, CapCut video editing, like not CapCut, video editing, video edit, video editing, video editing, and bracket CapCut. Okay, CapCut and bracket close. Okay, I'm skillful. Okay, let's move to achievement. You can write your achievement over here. If you have achieved, or if you have received any rewards, then what do you achieve and description of that. And let's move to training. Okay, if you have any certificate, or if you have done any, like training or any program, if you have joined any program, then you can write over here. And here awards, you can receive the title of award, organization, location, received award, and you can describe that award here, over here. And language, okay, the language means I can write like this, Nepali, and another you can write like this, here over here English. Okay, the dex is making noise, guys, ignore it. Okay, I'm skillful over here. You can also add like this in the other. And skill, I have already done that. Reference, okay, you can write any reference, like your school teacher, or your previous organization manager or supervisor. Okay, I'm writing here randomly Ram, and here Ram Associate Sharma, company gold star, gold S tier, gold star. Okay, your post means manage, your manager. Email, you can write any email, and your phone number. Okay, and this is the end of your CV. We can just copy this link and share your friend to share this CV. Okay, let's download this CV. Okay, let's open it. Okay, it is the wonderful CV. You can see here my emails, CCing me. Okay, this is wonderful. I like this. You can add your experience project, your experience over here on this blank page. You have to write lots of things. Due to the limited time, I have not done that. Here you can see skill and language reference. It's perfect. So in this way, uh, let's stop this CB making process over here. I hope you understand everything. If you have any queries, or you can ask me, you can comment below down. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.